Dog training is one of the best ways to ensure a good relationship between owners and their pets. In addition, a trained dog can enjoy a healthier and happier life, since it will understand the rules of the house and be able to communicate better with its owners. Here are some useful tips for dog training. Start early. Training should start when the dog is still a puppy, preferably around 8 weeks of age. The earlier the dog starts to learn the rules, the easier it will be for him to understand and adapt to them. Use positive reinforcement. Positive reinforcement is a training technique that involves rewarding the dog when he does something right. This can include treats, toys, or verbal praise. When the dog realizes that his actions have positive consequences, he becomes more likely to repeat them. Be consistent. Consistency is key to dog training. Owners should always reward the dog when he behaves well and correct him when he misbehaves. In addition, commands should always be the same to avoid confusion. Be patient. Dog training requires patience and dedication. It is important to remember that dogs learn at different paces and may take time to adapt to the rules of the house. Therefore, patience and perseverance are necessary. Be clear and concise. When giving commands to your dog, be clear and concise. Use short and simple words like sit, stay, and come. Don't use long or complex phrases, as this can confuse the dog. Practice in different environments. It's important to practice training in different environments so that the dog learns to obey in different situations. Start in a calm and distraction-free environment and gradually increase the level of difficulty by practicing in environments with more distractions. Be fair. Don't be overly harsh or punitive with your dog. It's important to be fair and reasonable when correcting them. Be firm, but not violent. The goal of training is to teach the dog the rules of the house, not to hurt or scare them. Keep training fun. Training can be fun for both you and your dog. Use toys, treats, and praise to keep training fun and motivating for your dog. Make sure your dog is enjoying themselves and paying attention to you. Reinforce desired behaviors. In addition to rewarding the dog when they do something right, it's important to reinforce desired behaviors over time. This means continuing to reward the dog whenever they behave well, even after they have already learned the basic rules. This helps to reinforce the desired behavior and keep the dog motivated to obey. Use a leash. When training your dog, it's important to use a leash to keep them focused and under control. This is especially important when teaching basic obedience commands, such as sit and stay. Keep training sessions short. Dogs have short attention spans, so it's best to keep training sessions short and sweet. Aim for 10 to 15 minutes at a time, and be sure to take breaks in between sessions. Use high-value treats. When rewarding your dog during training, use high-value treats that they really love, such as small pieces of cheese or meat. This will make the training more effective and enjoyable for your dog. Be consistent with commands. When teaching your dog commands, be consistent with the words you use and the way you give them. This will help your dog understand what you want them to do more easily. Stay positive. Positive reinforcement is key when training your dog. Always praise and reward your dog when they do something right, and avoid punishing them when they make mistakes. This will help them learn and improve faster. Find a good trainer. If you have no experience in dog training, it is recommended to seek the help of a professional trainer. A good trainer can provide guidance and support, as well as help identify your dog's specific needs. Dog training can be challenging, but with the right techniques and the help of a good trainer, it is possible to have a well-behaved and happy dog. Remember to be consistent, use positive reinforcement and have patience. And above all, have fun while teaching your dog the rules of the house.